Tired of juggling a cluttered kitchen full of single-use appliances? Meet the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker, your ultimate kitchen sidekick that replaces 10 gadgets with one sleek, space-saving powerhouse. Imagine flawless rice, tender meats, homemade yogurt, and even sous vide steak, all from a single device that cooks meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. With 28 smart programs, 5 customizable settings, and a whisper-quiet steam release, this isn't just another pressure cooker. It's a game changer for busy households, meal preppers, and foodies alike. Plus, the free app serves up 800+ recipes, so you'll never stare at your pot wondering, what can I make tonight? Whether you're feeding a family of 8 or just craving restaurant-quality meals with minimal effort, the Instant Pot Pro delivers speed, versatility, and foolproof results. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Let's dive in. Key features of the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker. 10-in-1 multifunctionality. The Instant Pot Pro isn't just a pressure cooker, it's a complete kitchen workstation. It replaces 10 different appliances, including a pressure cooker for fast, flavorful meals, a slow cooker for traditional braised dishes, rice or grain cooker, perfectly cooked rice every time, steamer for healthy vegetables and seafood, sauté pan, brown meats and onions before pressure cooking, sous vide, precise temperature control for restaurant-quality results, yogurt maker, homemade yogurt with ease, sterilizer, great for baby bottles and kitchen tools, food warmer, keeps meals at the perfect temperature, cake baker. Yes, you can bake in it. This all-in-one design means fewer gadgets cluttering your countertops and more efficiency in meal preparation. 28 smart cooking programs plus 5 customizable favorites. The Instant Pot Pro comes with 28 pre-programmed settings, making it easy to cook everything from soups and stews to yogurt and cakes with just a touch of a button. Additionally, it offers 5 customizable favorite settings, allowing you to save your preferred cooking times and temperatures for frequently used recipes. Faster cooking and preheating. Compared to previous models, the Instant Pot Pro boasts 20% faster preheating, up to 70% faster cooking overall, thanks to improved pressure and heat distribution. This means weeknight dinners come together in minutes, not hours, ideal for busy households. Upgraded gentle steam release. One common complaint about pressure cookers is the loud, messy steam release. The Instant Pot Pro solves this with a diffusing cover that reduces noise and a splash-proof design to keep countertops clean. Compatible with the optional quick cool tray sold separately, which speeds up steam release by 50%. 5. Premium build and thoughtful design. Stainless steel inner pot, durable and dishwasher safe. Easy grip handles for safe lifting. Large LCD display for easy readability. Auto-sealing lid for hassle-free operation. 11+ safety features. Safety is a top priority with the Instant Pot Pro, which includes overheat protection, safe locking lid, prevents opening under pressure, automatic pressure control, leak-proof sealing, free Instant Pot app with 800+ recipes. To help users get the most out of their appliance, Instant Pot offers a free app, iOS and Android, with 800+ recipes, meal plans, and cooking tips. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced cook, this app ensures you'll never run out of meal ideas. Who is the Instant Pot Pro best for? Busy families, feeds up to 8 people. With a 6-quart capacity, this cooker is perfect for larger families or those who love meal prepping. You can make big batches of chili, soups, or pasta dishes in one go. Health-conscious cooks. The steamer and sous vide functions allow for low-fat, nutrient-rich cooking, while the yogurt maker helps avoid store-bought versions with added sugars. Meal preppers and batch cookers. Spend one afternoon cooking and have meals ready for the entire week, saving both time and money. Small households and singles. Even if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, the Instant Pot Pro is great for efficient and waste-free cooking. Pros. Saves counter space, replaces 10 appliances, faster cooking than traditional methods, easy to use with preset programs, quieter and cleaner steam release, dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup, free app with hundreds of recipes. Cons. Learning curve for beginners, pressure cooking requires some practice, no built-in recipe book, must use the app, quick cool tray sold separately. Final verdict. Is the Instant Pot Pro worth it? If you're looking for a versatile, time-saving, and space-efficient kitchen appliance, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker is an excellent investment. Its multiple cooking functions, faster performance, and safety features make it a standout choice for home cooks of all levels. While there's a slight learning curve, as with any pressure cooker, the free app and customizable settings make it easy to master. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just simplifying your weekly meal prep, this Instant Pot model delivers convenience, speed, and delicious results. Where to buy? You can purchase the Instant Pot Pro 6-quart black on Amazon here. Have you tried the Instant Pot Pro? Share your favorite recipes and cooking tips in the comments.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.